Welcome to our tutorial on creating a custom form control in Angular. In our first code snippet, we begin by importing component and forward ref from Angular core, and ing_value_accessor and control value accessor from Angular forms. We then use the @component decorator to define our component, specifying the selector, and a simple template containing an input field. Notice the providers array where we provide the ng_value_accessor token with a reference to our component. This enables our component to integrate with Angular's form control mechanisms. Our component implements the control value accessor interface, which requires us to define specific methods: write value, register on change, register on touched, and optionally set disabled state. We define a value property to store the current value, and wrap functions for onChange and onTouched to be called later. Moving on to our next file, we're preparing the ing module that our custom form control will be declared in. We start by importing ing module from Angular core, reactive forms module for forms support, browser module for browser-based apps, and our custom form control component class. We then use the @ing module decorator to declare our custom form control component and import the modules needed for our application. We also export our custom component so it can be used in other parts of the application. Finally, we set the bootstrap array, which defines the root component that Angular creates and inserts into the index.html host web page. Now let's see how to use our custom form control in an Angular form. First, we import the component decorator from Angular core and form group and form control from Angular forms. In our app component, we define the template that includes our custom form control within a form tag, binding it to a form group instance using the form group directive. In our app component class, we initialize the form group and add a form control named custom control. We associate this control with our custom form control component, enabling it to interact with Angular forms, including validation, dirty checking, and more.